of the lake is Flathead Lake, and this is in Polson, Montana. And then plus the beautiful mountain there with a little bit of snow on the top. And this is the downtown of Polson. Beautiful. Nice.